Good morning, everyone. This is Patrick, PHC trader speaking. Welcome to this streaming channel. I'm currently looking at the Nasdaq. It's 9:26 a.m. Market to open in 4 minutes. I've been looking at other traders and how they're trading the opening. And I've noticed that some of them are putting a trade about 15 to 20 points up and another trade 15 to 20 points down. Excuse me. I've been testing it a little bit, and there was some success more than failure. So this is what I'll be working on over the weekend. Simply trying to get that trade with a funded account. I mean an eval account, just to pass. Let's see if I can get anywhere like that. Let's see here. I need to draw my box. This box should be right here. So, market just opened. This is a candle. So technically speaking, if it closes, this is a sim. I'm just going to test this. It closed kind of same level, so I'm not crazy about it. And we have the 200 over there, the white one. White line. I'm going to draw my box. So this candle was not crazy. The ATR is at 7.55. It's 9:29, 1 minute to go. I know I said that was the opening, but I was looking at the wrong thing here. So we're not open yet. If I do the sim and I was to buy here
Order submitted.
and sell here.
Order submitted.
Let's say I go like this. So that could be one of the trades that I put on.
Order filled.
Now it's filled. I could wait until it goes all the way up. Well,
Order filled.
I would have got it. I would have made $310. So basically what I did, I just put one trade here, but I would have put another one here down below, let's say from here to there, and try to get same amount of dollars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in time. And I'm going to basically try to do what I just said. Capture $300 or so. Now we've got a lot of traffic here. See this one? That should go all the way down here, really. those big candles. Five-minute shows a down. We're going a down channel. 1 minute shows an up channel. So if I go for the real account, my real account is basically getting a small 2.75 points. The ATR is at 9.78. Right now I'm right in the middle of the pivot. This is my 5 minutes on the right. I'm not using the Ripple Tango this morning. This is my 15 minutes. You can see, shows like we're going down. See the trade I was saying. Yeah, that was an easy sell. That I could have taken. Here, I missed that one. This is one. When did it start? That should be starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was a trade right there. Went all the way down. ATR moved up to 12.4. We got very long ticks. Right below the channel, this tick here close below, right at the red line. We could be going down again. I'm gonna draw my box right now. $31, the 12 cat sank 5 candles. Two, 4, 5 candles. 12.45 ATR. ES is doing the exact same thing so far. Touch view up, went back up. Gotta be ready and cannot hesitate. $9.36. Going back to view up again. I have the 9, the 21 and the 50 right on top of each other. It's a big long red candle. We have the 200 here on the 5 minutes, which is this one here. It's 1,000. Stop right there. Looks like it wants to go down. Touching it. Very strong candle. 47 seconds left. This is quite far. Quite far from the yellow, but I see
Order filled.
could go the other way.
Target filled.
Okay. See, it's going back up now. I was able to get it, but look, I'm very far from the yellow, very far from my channel. So I went back up around here, going back down. I have a feeling it's going to keep going down, but far from my channel, far from my line. If we look on this one here, we had to come back up to revisit. One, two, three, four, five. Let's see if it 5 minutes if it closes below. Wow, is it gonna close? 1, 4 minutes. It did close below. We have a long wick on the 1 minute. Everything being closed when it touches the 9th. We have the cross of the 9, the 21, and the 50, which is good, showing us that we're going down. ATR is at 14.78, perfect for trading right now. Quick moves. This is a nice ATR when you want to achieve 2.75 points. Just got to make sure that everything aligns with my plan before I get into a trade. Maybe it's going to be rejected here at VWAP. Looks like it doesn't want to go. It did cross VWAP though. Cross the 9th and then VWAP. It looks like, if you look at ES. Okay, so that shows that we should be going down here. Stick to your plan. You see, I'm very tempted to jump in right now. Okay, so we touch the 21, didn't close above the 21, didn't close, we didn't close still. We haven't closed yet above the 9th. .27 ATR. 15 minutes. It looks like we're gonna close below VWAP. Looks like we're having a reversal here. Could go down all the way to the prior close. 37 seconds. We got some good wick here. 45. 19. So I'd like to see this closing below this blue box. I don't think it's gonna happen. Alright. Looks like we want to go back up. Nope. Alright. We got the 1000 here and we got the 9. This is our range. It's 566 to 495. It's like 60 some points. We're in a downtrend, that green line. I don't see. It did close below. I think it's just normal that's trying to go back up right here. We've got this channel, we've got the 50, and we got this trend showing this is a downtrend. So we got a lot of resistance going up. It's tough to take a trade up right now. You can see on the 15 minutes we're going way down. So is on the hour. So we've had some bear flag, right? Another bear flag here. A little choppy, guys. Look, from this area to this area. We're going kind of sideways right now. The ATR is at 17.29, which is excellent. So I'd stop at the 9th. So that could be a quick trade right here. It's a little choppy now. I'm in a downtrend, but it's kind of flat. It looks better like this. See if we could close below. It's interesting if we close below. Seems like it doesn't want to go lower. We are right. Thing is not to rush. We're right here. The idea would be to go there. Still have a good chance to reach, get my points if I were to sell when I get to 5. Looks like it.
Order filled.
It's closed right there. It cost me.
Target filled.
Okay. It was tight. Need to have big balls. Too afraid when I trade. I'm so afraid. I gotta stop that crap. The day I'm not afraid anymore. I'm telling you, it seems like it's a lot easier. When I see these guys trading and making a couple $1,000 at the opening of every day, you know, they don't care if they blow up an account. Really don't. It's $100 and they can have 10 of them. One of them I was watching, he blew I think 23 accounts yesterday. $2,300 he blew. His real money because he has to rebuy those accounts. Me, I only have one right now, and I'm afraid to lose it, $100, because I'm poor. So, that's why each trade for me counts, and it's important to have it. And all I've been doing is trying to pass the eval. I'm sure you guys, most of you might think, oh my God, why am I watching this guy? Well, if you watch me, you'll see what I go through, and I think there's no secret that trading is more you do it, better you get at it. And the only way that you can become successful with trading is by sticking with it and keep doing it until you get your groove, you get your own way of approaching the market, and then you may have a better results. So that's my view on this. Look, we touched the prior close on the bottom here, and now we're going to go back up. Excuse me, might be retesting it. Look at the 5 minutes. Went all the way back to this purple line here. It doesn't show on the 1 minute. Let's see if I can get it on. But this is a prior close. So if we stay above the prior close, there's a chance that we go back up again. If we don't stay, we might just go down to 450. That's a good number to me. It's even number, or 440, maybe 450. What's 450 here? So that could be an area 450 if we were to cross. We have a pivot too. That's it. Prior close, pivot, prior close, pivot on the 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if it closes above. It scares me because I'm far from my. This is the 1000 here, the white one. And I've got the VWAP there. 16.87, which is pretty good ATR. Got a feeling we're just gonna go back down. We're above the 21. The 9 is curving up. Very long tick on the 15. Still showing downward. See that tick rejection at the 1000. I would like it to go above VWAP before I take another trade. If I move this up here. This is the 1000. It's touching the 1000. You see this one here? Is a 200 right here on the 5. See, look at the 5 minutes on the top right. It's touching. Now it passed it. 1. I didn't go it. I didn't do it. I don't like it. 50 a VWAP. Ouch. We may just pass it. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. We have a 10 o'clock news, so I would have got it. That would have been a good trade. We're very far from, what do you call it? The channel. We're going back up. Guys, I think we're going to go back up to the opening range or the resistance. This is what, 4 seconds. I think it's going to be a down, a red one. I think this candle is going to go down. Very long wick on the 15, on the hour. Look at that, we'll keep going up. Ooh, that's 105. This is a nasty one. The blue one here, just the blue right here, the 21 on, call it the 105 on the 1 minute. Never had good luck when I trade next to that one. Looks like it just went through it, no problem. I missed this whole move here. Too much traffic. Wicket sank. Okay, I got 33 seconds. I want to see if this one here closes above the 21. Above the 50 even. That would be nice. 20 seconds. I think it's going to close above the 50. I'm looking at the 5 minutes now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't, but this one opens. Oh, this is... You don't want to jump in here. It closed above, which is a good one. This is tempting to get in here. I'd like it to come back down and then maybe get in. We haven't been that all-time high. This is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think it's going to go back. It's going to wait for a pullback. It's going to be coming back. This is after a pivot. And I've got mine. This is damn dangerous trade here. I got time. It's only 10:05. The hash dash, this is a prior high. So if it can close, if this one stays, I think it's going to come down all the way here. Looking at the 1 minute. So we touched the opening range. We actually surpassed it. We're gonna get news any seconds. So Powell is talking right now. No. durable goods order. Today it's Thursday. GDP, no, it was 8:30. I don't see news at 10. Okay, we have a rejection right here. Maybe it's a little mini bull flag and it's gonna go all the way up to the R2 right there. Twice we tried to pass the opening range, it didn't work out. Next level could be this one, then we got this one here. So one, two, three times, really, 4 times we're trying to go above the opening range. You can see the 9 is aggressively going up. We got the 105 just below, flattening. The 50 and the 21 about to cross. This looks good, this crossing there. Five minutes looks okay. $14.89, it's a good ATR. We're seeing more red in a row. That was a good attempt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Bouncing, excuse me, bouncing back the resistance. Definitely. We are in the channel, which is good. Which is an upward channel. This may go down, but I'm in an uptrend, so I don't go against my trend. We've got a lot of traffic here, so I think this candle is just gonna go back up. So that would be a bull flag here, if I'm correct. You got a big bull flag here. Bull flag here. .5 ATR. The hourly candle shows that we're going down, but we got those very long wick underneath these two red candles on the bottom right. So it's like the buyers are pushing up. Buyers coming up. So we closed, this candle closed, this one touched the center of this orange line here, and this orange line, this, which is 50% halfway. This one closed it too, so it's not going lower so far. I got this resistance here. Five minutes shows it's still going up. Yeah, it's trying to close above the prior high as well as the 50. It does close lower. Okay. I need some air. It's very hot here. Okay, we have another consolidation here. A little bit of a consolidation here. Went down, touched the prior close. Went back up. Consolidation. This green line shows we're going in a downtrend even if the channel is up now. Yes. Wants to go up. close above the 50% of my channel. Could go down like drastically. Mm-hmm. Split candle is closing below the 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Revisiting the prior high. So crossing R1, which is a pivot. Oh yeah. Okay, now this showing me I'm in an uptrend. So I'm not going to take a trade going down if this yellow line tells me that I'm in an uptrend. Candles have been closing just above the 50% of my channel. Having a hard time to go higher. Sellers pushing, buyers pushing up. Here we have a big bear flag. The hourly shows a bear flag, right? So 42 minutes to go. $10.17, made 220. Made 220, can lose it in a heartbeat. The other day I was at 370 and suddenly I'm at negative 865. That hurts. Or 935, I forget. 935, that was negative. I didn't lose the account, but big setback with a trailing drawdown. It's not fantastic situation. That's this account right here. So I'm at 25,200. I gotta bring it up to 26,500. So 1,400. I'd like to close to $500 this half today. So that would bring me up to 25,500. We haven't been able to get out of the opening range. Since 8:30 this morning. That's when we got a big plunge down. So there's a good chance we go back to 25.79. Falling asleep. Any more caffeine? Under 12, cat sank. 5 candles. Rejection again here. Rejection here. Rejection, rejection. We went all the way up here. Strong candle right now. Far from the yellow. Not crazy about that. So we passed it. 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, we didn't. Not there yet. 10:21 a.m. ATR 12, 11. I'd like to be at 15, but it's not too bad. Looking at the ES right now. We're passing it. The ES, we're passing it. 3, 2, 1.
Order filled. Target filled.
3:25. Coffee time. You know what? $3.25. 10:22. Okay, I'll stop right here, guys. Just want to try to be consistent. 3:25. I'm happy with that. Okay. I may do a recap tomorrow morning about this day. Thank you so much for attending, and let's keep the dream living. I think it's very possible. Easy for me to say that today since I have accomplished my $300, but Yeah, stay positive and work hard at it. Look, by the way, the 50% of my channel, we touched it, we went back down. We almost touched it, right? Alright, see you guys later. Bye-bye.